Hello, warriors. I hope this post finds you well and having a positive and productive day. My name is Anthony Lacascio. I am a famous tap dancer and an award-winning author of an international best-selling book. Recently, I was in a community chat and we got to talking about food. We wound up speaking about the homemade mayonnaise that I like to make. Everyone in the chat seemed to have lots of interest in the mayo. I promised the group I would post a video so that other warriors can also make this mayonnaise at home. However, I had forgotten that I had recently made a batch, and I didn't need to make any more at the moment. That said, I decided to pivot and offer you all another delicious homemade recipe that our family and friends rave over. My favorite homemade creamy mustard vinaigrette salad dressing that can be used on more than just salad. Ingredients include honey, apple cider vinegar, deli mustard, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, some red onion or shallot, and salt and pepper to taste. I like to use a scale for most of my recipes. It just makes life in the kitchen much easier. For this recipe, I'm using 35 grams of honey, 118 grams of apple cider vinegar, 50 grams of deli mustard, 4 cloves of garlic, 220 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Here I am using my favorite olive oil, Ciceria Olio di Oliva, which I get from a friend of ours who imports it directly from Italy, which gives me a lot of confidence in that oil. Her name is Brandy, and you can check out her podcast, Functionally Autoimmune, on Spotify or anywhere podcasts are at. A podcast my wife and I have been on in the past, so go and look for our episode. Okay, back to the ingredients. After adding the olive oil, I add in a medium shallot or quarter of a red onion roughly chopped and finalize with some salt and pepper added to taste. Now, I just quickly give it the old zip zap with one of my favorite kitchen tools, the immersion blender. I also use my blender to make my homemade mayonnaise and butternut squash soup, both of which I will eventually circle back to. This dressing is excellent on all sorts of greens, although my favorite green to use it on is arugula. Enjoy using this dressing, and please post photos and comments. If you want to know more about my book, Food as a Prescription, a handbook for those currently on or prescribed a gluten-free, soy-free, corn-free, and or dairy-free diet, please go to foodasaprescription.com to learn more. Oh, and Monday nights, I cook live online. If you want to know how to follow me and cook and see us cook live online, let me know. I'll get you the info. Cheers, warriors. Don't forget, rise, get your shit together.